Hi everybody, this is Engineer Rodolfo Ocati from Harao, Iloilo City, Philippines. Today we will have this three-moment equation with settlement, the 8th series of lecture. We have this figure. Just look at the figure at the lower portion. So we have this beam, three-span beam A, B, C, D, given the EI 3 times 10 to the 10 kilonewton mm square. The settlement at B is 4 mm. Then the settlement at C is 6 mm. Distances are here. This figure is also the same as the figure above. Okay. So we'll adjust the so we have the formula. It's a very long expression. M1 L1, the first span moment. Usually the three moment equation uses two span at a time. So we have a known here, moment at B, moment at C. Three moment equation meaning the unknowns are the moments. So in this figure our unknown here is moment at B, moment at C. We have two unknowns, so we must have two equations. Since we use two span at a time, the first equation is derived from A, B, C, two span. One equation. Then another equation to be derived is span B, C, D, two span. Okay, so this is the first span, M1 L1. The middle part of ABC is B, so this must be the middle part or common to left and right. Then this is the moment on the right of ABC, or the third moment. Then this is the constant of the first span derived from this. Then this is the constant of the second span. Okay, this one. Now on the right of the equality is the formula for the constant of the settlement, 6EI parenthesis H over L. So we have 2. On this span ABC we have the settlement at B and C. Okay, we will substitute to the formula. Consider the span ABC, this one. It's better, clearer to see in this figure. ABC. So the moment at A is really 0. Okay. Then twice the moment at B times the span on the left plus the span on the right. So 6 plus 4. Then moment at C, unknown moment at C times the span of 4. Then the constant of the figure, this one, derived from here. The 36 is derived from, okay, if we consider the AB, span AB as a simple beam, the reaction of A is to carry 1/2 of this load, or 1/2 of this triangle. 8 times 3 is 24 divided by 2, or 12. Next, pivot that at the middle point, so 12 times 3 is 36. Also, reaction at B is also 12. Then bring that to the middle is also 12 times 3. Now, due to the downward uniform load, the moment derived from this triangular load is 1/2. 8 by 3 divided by 2 is 12. Okay, then pivot that to this middle part, or times the distance of 1. We make the moment at the center, so the centroid of this triangle is 1, so 12 times 1 is 12. The same is true with this. It is also 12 times 1, or 12. Negative here. Here, consider this as a simple beam. The reaction of B is total load of 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then the reaction at B, bring that to the right, or pivot at C. 10 times 4 is 40. Now usually the upper part 40 and the lower part are equal. This is minus, so if you add this to 40 and minus 40, this is 0, because the moment at the end support must equal to 0. Okay, so you must know how to derive this. This is called as moment by part. For this, okay, the upper part and the lower part must be equal. So without solving reaction at C and D, I know that the moment due to 20 is 20 times 3 is 60, minus 60, and so the upper portion must be also 60. So negative 60 and 60 here must be 0. The 60 is derived from 20 times 3, or 60. Okay, so we need this to solve this constant of the moment by part. This is for the left span, this is for the right span. Okay, this is the settlement. Substitute 0 plus 2mb, the middle part, times 10, the sum of the two span. Then 4 times moment at C. Moment at C times L2. Then the constant 6 over the first span, 6 over 6 times this triangle 1/2 36 by 3 times the distance of from here up to the centroid is 2/3 of 3. Then the right portion of this triangle is 1/2 36 by 3 times distance from the left is 3, distance of the centroid of this triangle 3 plus 1/3 of 3 or 1. So this must be 4. Then the lower portion is 1/4. This is third degree parabolic. 1/4 12 by 3 times distance from this to this is 1/5 or 4/5 of 3. 4/5 of 3 minus this is 1/4 of 12 by 3. Then the distance from the left or from A to this centroid is 3 plus 1/5 of 3. Then close this by a bracket. This is the open bracket times 6 over 6. This is the constant of the first span. The second span is 6 over 4. Then this moment by part 1/2 40 by 4 times distance from the right or 1/3 of 4 minus 1/3 of 40 times 4, distance from C to the centroid of this is 1/4 of 4. Then close bracket, the whole two terms multiplied by 6 over 4, 6 over L2, then equal to the 6 EI times the settlement. Okay, so 6 EI is 3 times 10 to the 10 divided by 10 to the 6. Why divide by 10 to the 6? Because the unit of EI is kilonewton mm square. Convert mm to meter, so divide this by divided by 1000, then square that, square the linear measure. So 1 over 1000 square is 10 to the 6. Actually this is 10 to the 4th. Then h over L1. Okay, now settlement at B is 4, settlement at C is 6. We will interpret this. For a two span ABC, consider B, the middle part, as the origin. This B will settle by 4 mm. On the left, looking on the left, A is higher by 4 mm because B settles by 4 mm. So looking at B, A is higher by 4 mm. Okay, positive. Convert that to meter. 004. Then on the right of B, C is higher by 2 mm. C settles by 6. B settles by 4. So C is lower by 2 mm. Okay, that is why this is negative. Remember, the middle part is the origin. So C is lower than B by 2 mm. So that is why we have this positive on the left, A is higher, negative on the right, C is lower than B by 2 mm. Then the distance of the first span 6, distance of the second span 4. Okay, simplifying, 20 MB plus 4 MC plus this bracket, this enclosed by a bracket, is 270. This enclosed by 6/4 is 80, and this constant of the settlement, notice that this is positive because this one is higher than this one, so positive. Now simplifying this, we have 20 MB plus 4 MC is equal to this positive on the right, transfer that to the left of equality, then it becomes negative 320. Usually on the right negative because we will expect that the moment at B is negative, moment at C is negative. On the support, usually the moment is negative, so these two are negative, so this must be negative. Check this always in your computation that the right portion is negative. So this is equation 1. It's very tedious but very simple to understand. Now we consider again the two span BCD. We will derive another equation for a two span BCD. Okay, substitute to the formula using this moment by part, this portion and this portion. This portion is the left span, this is the right span, this portion. Okay, so substitute to the basic three moment equation. Moment at B is unknown times 4 plus twice the moment at C, the middle part, times the sum of these two span, 4 plus 9. Okay, 9. Then on the right, the real moment on the right of BCD or D, the moment here is 0. Then the constant, we have this 6 over this span 4 times open bracket 1/2 40 by 4 times the origin of the moment by part on the left of BCD must be on the left or at B. The origin here is 2/3 of 4. 2/3 of 4 minus this lower portion is 1/3 second degree parabolic 40 by 4 times distance from B is 3/4 of 4. Then on the right moment by parts, we have 6/9 6 over L2. 6/9 open bracket 1/2 60 by 9 times the distance from D, or from the right of this two span. The origin here must be on the right at D. So the origin of this triangle is 1/3 of 9 from here up to the centroid of the triangle. This lower portion minus 1/2 60 by 3 times distance of 1/3 of 3, or 1/3 of 3. Then equate that to the settlement. This is for the second span. Okay, we will analyze this figure. We are considering BCD. This is C is the middle point of BCD. So our origin for the vertical distance is at C. This portion is C. Now B cetos by 4 mm, C cetos by 6, 4 and 6. So this sign, why is it that this is 4n minus 2? So we analyze this. This will go down 4, this will go down 6. So with respect to C, B is higher by 2. Again, C is 6, low, drop by 6. B goes down by 4. C is still lower than B, or B is higher by 2 mm. This one, I was confused with the second equation. Okay, B is higher by 2 mm and D is higher by 6 mm. C settles by 6, so D still in the original position is higher by 6. So the constant now of the settlement, all positive. The middle part is lower. B is higher by 2 and D is higher by 6. So this is why we have positive. Then the span on the left is 4. Span on the right is 9. Okay, so simplifying this for the second equation, BCD, span BCD, 4 MB, this is 13 times 2, 26, the first constant is 80, then the second constant is 480, then the constant for the settlement is positive here, 210. Now bring this positive to the right of equality, then becomes negative 350. Then this is equation 1. 2. Equation 1, then we have equation 2. Solving the two equations, equation 1, then equation 2. We have two unknowns, B and C. Okay, then moment at B is minus 13.730159. Moment at C is minus 11.349206. Okay. Now, solving the reaction. To solve for the reaction, consider this span AB only. Cut section on the left. Cut the section from B. Consider the left portion AB. So we know the moment at B as minus 13. It is, if we consider AB as if there is a moment, we can see this left portion, the loadings, and we can see the right portion here as the moment at B of minus 13.73. So we have the moment on the left and we have the moment on the right. Moment at B, this one, minus 13.73. Now, take moment at B, and this is equal to 13.73 moment at B. Then sum up all the moments on the left. So, RA times 6 minus these two triangle. Minus 1/2 8 by 3. Then distance from B, this is 3 plus 1/3 of 3. Centroid of this first triangle. 3 plus 1/3 of 3. Then the second triangle area is 1/2 8 by 3 times distance from B, 2/3 of 3 or 2. Okay, then equate that this moment on the left to the moment on the right, which is minus 13.73,159. We have only one unknown here, and RA is 9.71164. Check this using your calculator later. Okay. Anyway, you can pause the movie. You can pause, then do the calculator. Then solving for RB, we consider the left portion of cut section at C. Cut section at A. So the moment, all the moments on the left are these loadings and the reaction at A. Then on the right of C, since we cut section here, the moment at C here appears as moment at C minus 11.349, or this one. Or this one. The left portion are the computation here on the left of C. All the loadings here plus the reaction at A. Okay. So solving, reaction at A is 9,711,64. times distance of 10. 6 plus 4, m. Then plus RB, unknown, times 4. We take moment at C, times 4. Then minus the triangle, 1/2 8/3 times distance of 7 plus, this is 7 plus 1/3 of 3. Okay, 7 plus 1/3 of 3. The second triangle from C, this area is 1/2 8/3 times 4 times 2/3 of 3. Okay, this one, 4 plus 2/3 of 3. Then this uniform load area is 5/4 times the middle is 2 from C. Okay, simple as that. Then equate that. All the moments on the left are this, all the moments on the right of C is minus 11. Equate the moment on the left and on the right to be equal. These two must be equal. Moment on the left, moment on the right. So solving for RB, it is 24.8836. Then solving for the reaction at D, consider the span CD. If we cut 6 yun here, we consider all the moments on the right equal to all the moments on the left. Moment on the left, remember we cut this. ABC does not appear here in our computation, but there is a moment at C of minus minus 11,349 at C. We consider the CD. So we take moment at C is 11, minus 11. RD times 9 minus 20 times 6. Then equate that to the moment at C of minus 11.34921. This is just a simple algebraic equation. RD is the unknown, so RD is 12.0723. Okay, so RA solved, RB solved, RD is now solved. RC is still unknown, so we consider the span BCD. RD is known, moment at B is known. Okay, so take moment at B. It is not 0. Remember, the moment at B is not 0. There is a value of moment at B. It is minus 13.73. Common expression always when solving the problem is that the moment at a certain point is equal to 0. Here in our case, the moment at B is not 0. This is minus 13.73. So take moment at B, consider BCD. Okay, the right portion is RD as 12.0723 times this distance as 13. Then plus RC unknown times 4 minus 20 times 10 and equate that to the moment at B. Minus 1373. Then solving RC is 17.332451. Okay, we have now solved 3 reaction RB, RC, RD, and 2 moments from the simultaneous equation. Now complete. We can draw now the shear and moment diagram here. Okay, this is the shear diagram. Note here that the curve is reversal. It is curving like this. The rate of drop of the force here is first very small drop, then as we go on the drop becomes bigger. That is why the shear diagram here, the drop is very small, then as we go on to the center span, the drop is big. The drop is big. Then here the drop is big, the rate of dropping of the force is big. Then here on the right, the drop is becoming smaller, so it becomes horizontal, then goes up, then goes down. Reaction sa C goes up, then goes down by 20. Okay. The moment diagram will look like this. This topic of plotting, how to plot these figures, is it belongs to the strength of material and beyond for the discussion here. Okay, now that completes the discussion of the problem of this. Now when there is no settlement, we will solve this another problem when there is no settlement at B and C. So the settlement at B and C is 0. Now the solution is just simple. Remember from this equation 1, this is our expression. Okay, I will show to you equation 1. Equation 1, 24, 270, 80, and 30. Okay, settlement here is 30, the constant of settlement. If there is no settlement, this 30 will become 0. 270, 80. It is 270, 80, and 30. Make this a 0. So the sum of this is transfer to the right is minus 350, and this is equation 1. This is another problem when there is no settlement. Okay. This equation 2, again the settlement on the right is 0. Then simplifying for this is 560 minus 560. Then solving the two equations, the moment at B is 13 minus 13.611, and moment at C is minus 19.444. Then the same is true with solving the reaction when there is no settlement. Okay, consider AB. Take moment at B as 13.611 negative. The forces here on the left are 8 times 6 minus 1/2 8 by 3 times distance from B is 3 plus 1/3 of 3. Okay. Then minus another triangle 1/2 8 by 3 times distance from B 2/3 of 3. Then equate that to the moment at B is 1 13,611. Solving for RA, it is equal to 9.73148. Usually I write this with a lot of decimal places in order that almost all the computation is carried on to the last decimal, because if you round this off to 2 decimal places, you will notice later that the sum of these 4 forces vertically will not be equal to the downward external forces. So carry on the decimal places. If you can maximize it, the better. Now solving for RB, consider the span ABC. Take moment at C. Moment at C is given. Okay. So all the moments of the external downward forces, and the given now RA given as this. So take moment at C 9.73 is the reaction at A times distance of 10 plus 4RB times 4RB minus this triangle 1/2 8 by 3 times distance from C is 7 plus 1/3 of 3. Okay, 7 1/3 of 3. Then minus this triangle 1/2 8 by 3 times distance of 4 plus 2/3 of 3. Then minus the uniform load of 5 by 4 times the middle part distance of 2. Equate that to the moment at C. Okay, moment at C is 19,444. Then we have one unknown. Very long expression. Still we have one unknown, and we can solve this. RB is 22.81019. Then consider CD. We will solve the RD. Okay, cut section here. Consider the right cut section CD. There is a moment at C as 19.444 negative. So RD times 9 minus 20 times 6 is equal to the moment at C minus 19.444. Solving for RD, you have 11.17284. Now the only unknown now is RC. Now consider BCD. RD now is given. Okay. Moment at B is equal to minus 13,611. So reaction at D 11.1728 times distance of 13, 10 and 3, 13 plus RC unknown times 4 minus 20 times 10, 20 times 10 minus this uniform load 5 by 4 times distance of 2. So that completes all the moments on the right. Moment on the left of B is minus 13,611. Moment of on the left of C must equal to the moment on the right of C. So solving for RC is 20.285494. Then you can check the sum of all the vertical forces RA, RB, RD and RC to be equal to the sum of all downward forces. Now the shear and moment diagram is almost the same as this one. The shear diagram will look like this, and the moment diagram almost similar to this, only that the level of the forces are different from this one. The figure is almost the same for no settlement. Okay, that ends the discussion on this problem with settlement and without settlement. Here is a problem for you to solve. Change the W1, instead of 8 you make it as 12. W2 as, instead of 5 you make it as 8. Then P is 20, the same. Then all distances are the same. Then you will solve this. The answer is ready for you. The moment by parts level are 54 here, 54, 64, then 60. The lower portion the same. Then a moment at B, moment at C by simultaneous equation. Then RA, RB, RC, RD. These are ready answers for you. Only that you check this with your computation so that you will have a guide. Then when there is no settlement, the same given as this one, W1 12, W2 8, okay, the same given, only that the settlement is 0. So we have another set of answers. Okay. So that ends our discussion for this, and be sure to subscribe, and thank you.